Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies. Today we are with Lauren of Nubia420. Sorry, babe. Today we are going to make some taffy. Try to make some taffy. We've never made taffy before, so we're just gonna see if this works. So ingredients: we have 2.5 heaping cups of sugar. We have our can of sugar mixed in. We used a cup of our can of sugar and 1.5 cups of regular white sugar. We have here our wax infused can of butter, 2 tablespoons of that. This is just extra butter that you're going to use in the end and for greasing your pan. We have 1 cup of light corn syrup, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of salt, unsweetened, that is important, unsweetened juice mix. We're going to do some mixed berry. We use Kool-Aid, obviously. And then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla and 1 1/3 cups of room temperature water. The things that we need for this. So we're gonna, obviously you need a pan, a saucepan. It's actually important that it has kind of a nice thick bottom, especially when you're cooking sugar. We have our handy dandy candy thermometer. Walmart has them. They're like $4 or $5. Obviously spatula thingy for stirring. Here we have a cookie sheet. We're gonna use that in the end to roll our candy out, cool it a little bit, and then wax paper also used in the end. Before you start cooking anything, just make sure your cookie sheet is very well buttered. You do not want your candy sticking to this thing. That sucks. So we already buttered our cookie sheet. All right, now we are going to combine our sugar. This isn't on, so don't turn it on yet. You want to get everything in the pan before you turn it on. Our cornstarch. Look at that. Damn powder. Okay. Oh. We're gonna do our water. Our butter.
What butter is that?
This is the can of butter. The wax infused can of butter. And then our salt. Okay? So again, before you turn it on, do not turn it on yet. We're gonna stir and stir and stir. We're gonna add our corn syrup. Literally sugar and sugar and sugar.
Sugar, 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 butter, salt. Oh, the nutritional profile of this taffy.
Who needs nutrition?
It's non-existent. What nutrition?
Okay. Very slowly. We don't want spillage. You're just gonna stir that baby. So you're supposed to stir this for a couple of minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So let's turn it on low. All right. I've been stirring for about 5 minutes. And now we want to bring it to a boil. I'm gonna turn it up to medium. Let's see if we can get this baby to boil.
Do you have to stir it while it comes to a boil?
So, I have heard you're not supposed to stir it. You bring it to a boil and stop stirring it. But I want to stir it. So I'm gonna let it come to a boil and just watch it carefully. See what happens. I might stir it. Yeah, me too. We're just gonna see. Yeah. Okay, so we forgot to put the thermometer in. Make sure you put the thermometer in. You want this to get to 250. It can take a little while to get to 250, so you know, don't really stress about it not getting there right away. I have read that it kind of hovers around the 220, 240 mark for a bit. So no worries. Oh, we're boiling. Okay. We are 225-ish still. Like I said before, it's going to hover between 225 and 240. At least that's what everybody online says. We are at 250. So at 250, you're gonna move it off the heat. And then, oh, we have to put it on the stove.
Yeah, our plate does not get hot enough.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to add our half teaspoon of vanilla. And then our pack of coulis. So we're gonna slowly, we're gonna stir that in. Stir slowly, obviously. Hot boiling sugar.
Can cause 3rd-degree burns.
6th-degree burns.
There's no such thing.
Hot sugar, they'll invent it. Okay. Oh. Yeah, take that back.
You're supposed to have 1 pack of Kool-Aid?
Yep.
Okay.
1 pack. Right?
It's starting to look like something, baby.
It is. It's starting to feel like something, too. Ooh. We want to get them, you know, clumps out. Okay.
Alright, you gotta do something now.
I know. You don't see no chunks, right?
Nope. You ready?
I think so.
Oh, you still need your mitts?
Yeah. It's not too hot, but. Okay. Now we are going to pour this out.
We got a couple deposits in the bottom.
Yeah, I see. I'll get it.
Oh, look at that. That doesn't look bad for the first time,
No, I don't think so. Okay, let's just get all that extra goodness.
I can see the reflection.
Okay, so we get this on this pan here. And now we want this to cool a little bit so that it can be handled. All right, so this has been sitting here for about 12-15 minutes. Mm-hmm. And I think it's time. It's ready for us.
Yeah, try it.
Okay. I'm wearing gloves just to try to avoid fingerprints on it. I just think it might look better. Whether you use gloves or not, you just gotta make sure you butter up your hands. So let's do that. Like lotion. Okay. Very well buttered.
About the back of your hands.
Guess you need the back.
Yep.
Yeah,
When
okay.
you pull it, it's gonna get all over you.
That's true. Good call, baby. Alright. I'm nervous.
Girl.
Okay. So you kind of want to do this as soon as you feel like you can handle it. You don't want it too hot, burning your hands, but you don't want it to cool down too much. See?
It's a lot of taffy. You should have had the recipe.
I thought about that too, and I was like, nah, let's just go for it. Ooh, look at that.
So how do you know when you've pulled enough?
Well, I don't know. I guess by feeling. No. You want it to be opaque. Just pulling. Just fucking pulling. About 15 minutes. Everything's about 15 minutes. Look at that.
Oh, that's taffy.
Right, we lost the gloves because fuck it.
They were not high enough quality to work.
Wasn't working out. Okay, so now we got a little re-greasing going. Keep them hands buttery, y'all. Oop. There we go.
Yeah, that's a good size, man.
Okay. So we gonna pizza cut these bitches. These taffies. Yeah. That's a big piece.
That's a big piece of taffy, babe.
How about that?
I think that's a better size piece of
Okay.
taffy.
Oh, look at me. Forgetting an important step. Grease everything. Butter every damn thing.
I wonder if you can use Crisco instead of butter.
Oh. I'm sure.
I just think that has better non-sticking properties.
Yes.
That's why they use it in baking.
For sure.
But it's pretty expensive though.
Obviously, you know, use some kind of a measuring tool if you want them to be.
Retail.
Yeah. Yeah. You want consistency. Okay, so here we go. Our finished taffies. So it actually feels more like a fruit chew than say a taffy. We gonna eat that. And we switched to scissors. If you have kitchen scissors, it's definitely much easier. But make sure you butter them. Still chewing. The wax paper, obviously to wrap the candies up. We want to store them in an airtight container. Ta-da! We're all done.
Ooh la la.
Pretty tasty. Chewy, stuck in my teeth, but I guess that's the taffy game. So let us know if you tried this recipe, what you thought about it, if you liked it. Sorry, I got butter everywhere. If you liked it, if you hated it, don't forget to leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, tell your friends to subscribe too. And your mama. And your grandma too. Everybody. Thanks.